This video, I am going to show you how to configure spanning tree port fast and BPDU. So first of all, I will take one switch 2960 and I will take one PC for a little demonstration purpose. So we'll cable it. So as you can see, the port is going to some transitions. That is what mainly STP does. STP, have different states. Like show you like disabled, listening, learning, forwarding, and blocking. So these are the 5 states which our switch goes through before making a link active. So as you can see in this topology, the link was first orange and then it goes to the green state. It means forwarding state. There are no loops, there are no blocking. So if you want to avoid the spanning tree, because generally you can see here that the end device like server, printers, computers don't need STP because they do not send bridge protocol data unit. Which BPDU or BPDU you can say it. BPDU is like the switch communicates its various states, post, bridge ID, etc., which you have learned already in spanning tree. I am just explaining it a bit. So the next, if you want to avoid this process, uh, like if you want to connect a PC and it immediately go to forwarding state, I mean to say, once you connect any device, it will automatically green. So let's configure it. Go to CLI. The config tree assume we have a fast Ethernet 2 interface on which I am going to configure. I would attach a PC. And here we need to do a command spanning tree port fast. So port fast has been configured, and here is the warning: port fast has been configured or fast Ethernet 0/2, but it should not be a trunking port or it should not be connected to a switch or bridge. So once you connect the PC like this, it will not go to any state like disable, listening, learning, forwarding, blocking. It automatically comes into the forwarding state, which I can show you from here also. So fast Ethernet 1 and 2 both are in forwarding state, are ready to send and receive its frame. So one thing more, if you want to enable the second feature, which is known as BPDU Guard. BPDU Guard, what it does, it prevents any BPDU from coming into your end devices. Like you can configure it 0/-2. Sorry, interface range 0/-2. Spanning tree. So now what will happen if I take a second switch here? If I take a second switch and I connect this PC2 cable to the switch, my port will be automatically shut down. So as you can see, the BPDU guard prevents your end device from receiving any BPDU because the switch need to communicate its states to the next device. But on this port, we have already configured the BPDU guard, like it will prevent any BPDU from coming into that port if this port is connected to the switch, then the switch will disable this port. So what we will have to do now, we need to disable this port, BPDU guard. So as you can see here, spanning through block BPDU guard receive BPDU on port with BPDU guard enabled disabling port. In error disabled state has put in error disabled state. So first of all, we need to go to the interface which is an error disabled state, and then we need to spanning through BPDU. Then we need to shut this port, and we should now shut this port. So we have eliminated the BPDU guard. So let's see our port comes up or not. It will definitely come because we have allowed the BPDU to be received on this specific port. It will take some time, like 30 to 50 seconds. So you can see here the port has come up. So this was the practical I need to show you. Thanks for watching.